Welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to add a login-chime to Linux. It's very simple, and you just need to do a few things. So open up a terminal. Last video we installed Arco and we got this. Still, it's the default settings. I just changed the background and installed VMware tools. So first, we gotta install Vorbis tools. All right, next, turn up your volume so that you can hear the sound. And then type in, make sure you have git. So we have git clone https // the whole deal, github.com tifa software /login-sound.git. Hit enter and I'll download it. cd login sound. And then here's the installation script right here. So you just type in sudo /install.sh and I'll install it. Next, you're going to run this script, which it'll set up libio to use the pulse driver. So we just run that. And now the last step is to append the login-sound command to a login script. So what I do, I put it in X session and I put down login sound. And then let's test it out. All right, see ya.